So this video is, I got another black light, and this was recommended to me by a customer, not a customer, a subscriber, just about a week or two ago. And so I got it, and it is really good. More about this later. I'm gonna get the other one. There's another one like this, but it's supposed to have 3 of these LEDs supposedly in it. It's a real monster of a one where it's longer and it has 3 instead of 1. But check this out. Okay, look at the sight glass right there. Bam! That sucker glows like no tomorrow. I can't even describe to you how bright this is. That is one freaking bright. That glow is just reflecting glow. It's just glowing like crazy. Yeah. So hey, thumbs up, my subscriber. Dude, you gave me a really good light here. Bang for the buck. I think bang for the buck. This might take the #1 spot. But what I'm gonna do is, there was another one and it's much longer and it had 3 of the LEDs. I'm gonna get that one too. I'm gonna order it this week right now. And we're gonna do a run-up between this one and the other one. But I think overall, out of all the LEDs that I have gotten, not costing $500, $600, or $700, costing less than $100, much less than $100, this gives every top-end LED light, I think, a run for their money, equal or better. And I think I'm ashamed to say that if this thing is brighter than my $500, yeah, this thing is brighter than my $500 LED light. Talk about egg on my face. This thing is, for this die, this thing is just a miracle worker. Holy shit. Okay guys, well, there's going to be a review on this one and another one with these Japanese chips for their set, for their special type of LED light in there. Once I get the other one, I will break out all my LED lights again and we'll do a shootout again. And might even bring back my old ancient one from the 1980s, which is a big giant handle, like big halogen, giant 6-inch round bulb inside of it. I haven't fired it up in probably 15 years. And I just found it recently up in an attic. Haven't used it. It's not my original one. My original one was, I think, like $600, and it had something that looked like a battery charger that weighed 20 pounds with a big capacitance discharge. And then you had your handheld light with the load. That was my first one. That one got stolen, but then I had the updated one, what was just got modern, and they went into a smaller handheld with a big giant, what looks like a outdoor light. So I'll bring out that really old ancient UV light technology and we'll do a battle out of all my lights again, including this one and the new one that's coming. All right, see you guys. Check this out. This just takes UV to the next level. Yep. I think we got a winner here, guys. And when the battle comes out and I get the new one, I will reveal what this is. But my subscriber who recommended it to me, hey, thumbs up. We got to spread the knowledge around. Thank you.